Hey. Hey, are you okay? Are you stuck in there? Dude, I told you that it probably wasn't a good idea to try to cave dive when it's this small compared to you. Well, how did you think you were gonna get out? Your shoe can barely fit. I mean, seriously, how did you even get in there? You ate a piece of cake? You ate a piece of cake and then you drank a mysterious drink and now you just can't seem to get out? Yeah. You're the person that parents talk about when they say not to follow after people, because why would you do that? How are you gonna get out of there? Where's the cake? You dropped it. Let me guess. It fell even deeper, right? When will you learn? Let me just see if I could just reach your hand. If I could just reach your hand. No? Well, let me see if I have something that I could try to reach in there with. Let me see. Maybe if you just grab onto this hook, I could just yank you out. Let me see. Do you think you can? Do you think you can grab that? Just grab one. Let me see. Oh my gosh, you have to hold on a little tighter than that, don't you think? Oh my gosh, okay. Let's try it one more time. No? How about now? Oh my gosh, you know what? Let me see what I can do. I'm just gonna try to grab you out there. Come on, just reach your hands up, okay? Just reach really far. If you could just reach my hand. Just reach my hand, and maybe I could get you out of there. Just reach really hard, okay? Just reach really far. Can you get there? No? You're gonna have to try a little harder than that. Seriously. Let's give this one more try, okay? If you could just reach your hand up. Reach really hard, okay? I can try, but oh my gosh, I don't even know how you fit in here, seriously. We might have to find you another piece of cake, because seriously, I don't know what to do. I mean, let me just take a look. Just take a look. Okay, maybe if I tried this hand instead, I could just maybe if I could just get down there. Oh, gosh. Well, you know what? I guess it just seems like you're just gonna have to live down there, you know? Just carry on your life, and I could just visit you every, few weeks, and okay, I could visit you every few days, And I could just tell you about what's going on in life and stuff because, dude, I seriously have no clue how to get you out of there. I mean, if I was a magician, maybe I could, shrink you down just a little bit more and we wouldn't have to find another piece of cake, but I don't really see that happening for like another 20 years or so when I become a, master of wizardry. But for now, I don't know. I mean, are there like bugs on the wall or something? Maybe you can snack on those for the next few days and I can see if I can figure something out, but I don't know, it just kind of seems like you're out of options right now. Okay, I can try again. But you've got to really reach, okay? Let me see, we're just gonna reach. Reach. Let me see if I can just reach. If I could just reach your hand. If I could just reach. Maybe if I took a little Ozempic or something, I could really get down there, but that'll still take a little while. If I could just reach. Maybe if I just do my pinky, you could just reach my pinky. Can you reach my pinky? Oh my gosh. Okay, grab on. Can you get me? Okay, now I'm gonna try my hardest to pull up, okay? I'm just gonna pull you up. Dude, I can't do all the work here. Seriously, you've gotta pull. Let me see, just pull you up. Oh, just pull you up. Look, you're kinda gonna be out of luck here. I mean, you might have to dislocate your shoulder or something to squeeze through because I can't do it. You're kind of heavy. I can't pull you all the way up on my own, especially not with just my pinky. It's hard, okay? So, what do you want to do? Do you want to try it again, or do you just want to snack on those bugs while I go and try to find someone? A wizard, perhaps? Okay, let me just see if I could just get down there. Let me see if I could just pull you out of there. I mean, maybe if we just contort this way and I reach really hard, maybe I could just really get you out of there. I mean, shouldn't be that hard. Shouldn't be that hard if I could just reach. Oh my gosh. Okay. Looks like we're gonna have to move on to plan C. I gotta find a wizard. Let me see. Hey there, dear child. Seems we've had a conundrum, I hear. You've fallen down into a little cave that's a little too tight for you. I heard that you took a little bite of a cake for a special someone, that wasn't actually for you. You're not the real Alice, so I really don't understand why you took a bite. Because I'm pretty sure that cake and the drink said for Alice on the bottom if you'd taken a peek. But you were just hungry because you spent so much time crawling into a hole that you knew you couldn't fit in. Okay, I get that. Yeah, so don't do that again because I was in the middle of concocting up one of my spells and now I have to start all over again. Do you know how hard it is to find a gargoyle's toenail that isn't pulled off forcibly, that just falls off? Do you know how hard it is to find one of those? they very rarely lose their toenails, okay? I searched high and low, and now I have to find another one because I already ground it up and mixed it into my concoction, and I can't even use the concoction anymore because you only have 30 minutes to make the spell. But now it's been 32 minutes because I had to take time to come over here. So how about we don't eat things that aren't ours from now on, okay? Okay, cool. So let's try this out. I'm gonna just use my wand and we're gonna look. We're gonna take a look. Take a look. I'm gonna check around the edges to see just how much space you have in between here, okay? Just gonna take a look. See what we can do here. See if we can get you out of here in the next 20 minutes. Perhaps. Though if it doesn't work, honestly, I'm gonna have to leave you for a little while. There's supposed to be a gargoyle keeping watch at the tower one town over today, and I'm gonna have to head over there to see if I can give them a pedicure. Now I'm gonna have to pay them to do their pedicure. Isn't that crazy? Okay. Let me see. Seems like we have a little bit of space right over here. Just a little bit of space right down here. Okay. Oh, I think I see a little crack right there. Maybe we could break that a little bit. Let me see if I could just... Okay. So now we got a little extra space right here. Perfect. Let me see. How's it looking? 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 Perfect. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and put a veil over the entrance here. Okay, so this veil is gonna make sure that the evil spirits that are very obviously gnawing at your toes right now, we're gonna make sure that they don't sneak out when we pull you up. Okay, so we're just gonna... So now that we've got that veil over, and the spiritual monsters can't creep out, we're just gonna leave that for a second just to suffocate them, okay? Perfect. Now, they're not going anywhere. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and just bippity boppity boop, 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 boop. Okay. Now this is going to be a little different because we're not going to try to pull you up because that might be a little dangerous right now. But what we're going to do is that act that I just did for you, That's going to make sure that you close your eyes and fall into a nice, deep slumber. Okay? And you're going to dream of floating up and out of the cave, up and out of this deep crevice. And as you float out, you're going to float all the way back to your village. And in your village, you're going to find yourself laying on your cot and having a nice, beautiful rest. And when you wake, you'll be there, safe and sound. No monsters on your feet, no magical cakes, no magical drinks, and you're just in your nice, safe, human world, okay? So just go ahead and just close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close them. Close them. Close your eyes. Close. 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 And get you some much needed